shine, 5 acres, very nice show shine.
Oh, white whiskey, white beer. Hey, George, which way to the Pam Pam? Come on, Iggory, we haven't got all night.
Manish, the Pam Pam can't wait. I took you to a very good floor show. Very good Vince Quasketeer.
That'll do then. Come on, fellas, get into this one.
Aiwa, Saida, Aiwa, and a whiskey, Aiwa, shufty, shufty. If you've been to Cairo, you know what I mean. You've heard all the music of Benny Goodman, Tommy Dorsey and stars like those, but have you heard of the kind of rhythm that put the pep in the eastern shows? He used to play in the slums of Cairo for all the kids in the neighborhood. He got them swinging and they described him as Quasketeer, so very good. All the green-eyed Bints and the grinning Wallets stood around with their eyes agog and swayed their hips to the rockin' rhythm of Ali Yusuf, the swinging wog. Aiwa, Saida, Aiwa, and a whiskey, Aiwa, shufty, shufty. If you've been to Cairo, you know what I mean. Hot musicians are gathered round him. They pound a jive and his fame increased. They practiced daily and now he's leading the hottest band in the Middle East. They held jam sessions in the low-down quarters, stamping ground down Muddy Way. The low-class Bints and the Pasha's daughters, they went to town when they heard him play. Aiwa, Saida, Aiwa, and a whiskey, Aiwa, shufty, shufty. If you've been to Cairo, you know what I mean.
Now somewhere in the caves of Tura lived a singing fool, so magnoon that his brains were missing, 'cause he never went to public school. But he could sing on a glass of beer, had a voice like a foo-foo boy, the sort of rhythm that drives you crazy, the best technique you ever heard. He joined up with the swingin' Yusuf, worked up numbers for the band to play, and when they got in the groove together, they stole the show from Cab Calloway.
Aiwa, Saida, Aiwa, and a whiskey, Aiwa, shufty, shufty. If you've been to Cairo, you know what I mean. And now they're playing in the highbrow quarters. The names are made and the whole world raised for the swinging walk from the slums of Cairo and the singing pull from the Tura caves. Aiwa, Saida, Aiwa, and a whiskey, Aiwa, shufty, shufty. If you've been to Cairo, you know what I mean. Most